Greetings, citizens of the world, we are Anonymous. This message is to shed light on a video that's been circulating online, claiming that Anonymous now is a political party, and that they are the official voice of Anonymous. We, Anonymous, would like to re-explain the idea of Anonymous. Anonymous is a loosely organized international movement of online hacktivists and activists, who share similar social and political ideals. We promote access to information, free speech, and transparency, and also support various anti-corruption and anti-authoritarian movements. But most important, we're leaderless, so there is no official spokesman for Anonymous, nor anyone can claim control over us. We do share political ideals, as we are very informed in politics, but making a political party will be against our diversity. So therefore, the subject video, and all further misleading videos, are not related in any means to Anonymous, nor to Anonymous idea and ideals, but it's clearly created for suspicious agendas. We would like the media to deliver our message, as some websites published the fake video that claims to be by us. We are Anonymous. We are leaderless. We come from all places of society. We come from all races, countries, religions, and ethnicity. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.